So what is this plant and what was the process in growing it?
Okay, so here we have our beans that we actually started growing in class. We grew them inside at first, and soon they started getting really, really big. So we decided to move them out here with these little fences to help them climb up, because beans need space to climb up so that they stay upright.
These are the three sisters, and basically what's in it is beans, corn, and squash.
So the corn is there as a post for the beans to crawl up, and it protects it from the beans falling over, and then the squash is there to go around the plant so that it is protected from bugs and insects.
So here we have our garlic, and before it was in this really big clump just right here. So what we did is we dug out different sections and planted them in other places where they had a lot of space to grow and the roots had a lot of space to expand.
So here we have a tomato plant that has some still very intact roots, and we've dug a hole here that we think will be deep enough so that the roots will be able to sufficiently grow. And we're just gonna put some water. We're going to put our tomato plant in so that it can grow tall and healthy.
Here we're planting some snow peas, and now we're just gonna add in a bit of compost. They've already been growing in our classroom, so they're pretty tall. We add some water in just before putting these in because it makes sure that they're gonna be secure. Yeah. So now all you do is place them in, and then you take dirt and you're gonna move it around so that they keep growing.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. This is our E-Block shed. New paint, and our hands are on it.